Okay, so once we have all of these slides, what we can go back and do, of course, is since this is all about how to make fun and engaging narratives, we got to add some text in. So I'm going to just quickly add some text on here so I can go ahead here and I'm going to click on the heading option. So these are just the default settings in Canva. I haven't touched anything on this account, so I've gone ahead and so that gives me sort of a bolder writing. Of course, there's about probably thousands, I don't know, of different fonts to choose from there. I'm just going to leave it for time's sake and for the video. I want to make this nice and long, oops, to cover my whole slide in this case, and I'm going to make it a little bit, the text a little bit smaller, just for my demonstration purposes. So we're going to give this a name. I'm going to call it, I guess, Minion and Cat Fun, something simple. And so if I want to make this high contrast, super easy. I'm going to have my text box highlighted and then go to Effects. And one of the simplest ones to do is just add a background. By default, it does it yellow. You can really do anything with that. So I can say I want it to be, if my individual really does better with red, then we need red. And of course you can go here and make the text any different color. So maybe you want white on red, or you want red on black. Let's just swap that actually. Let's go back to Effects. And I want to make the background black. And I want to make my text color, text color to be red. So then there we go. Got red on black if that's what I'm going for. So we've got some text there. Now I'm going to right click on that, copy it, or I could hit Control C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to paste it in here. And on this page, I want it to say, gosh, okay, Minion and Cat swim. Now go here and put Minion, go down. And how about this? I'm gonna hit this little duplicate button and then drag this down there. And we're gonna say cat jump. Okay, go to the next page and paste my text back in. And this time we've got they swim. I could do they float, could do whatever I want. And let's go to the next one. Paste my text box there again. That was a Control V on my keyboard. And now I'm going to say cat, go down. Say anything we want. And then, oh gosh, last one, roller coaster. Cat, go up and down. All right, so now I've got text on all of them. The next thing we can do is I want to be able to have this read back to the client. So I'm going to add text to speech to each slide. So I'm going to click on, start with the slide 1. And then amazingly enough, there is this AI voice feature in Canva, of course. And again, right just from the same little toolbar right here. So I'm going to click on my text box, Control C to copy it, and then Control V to paste that in there. I've got a couple different voices to choose from. I'm going to just choose Richard for now.
Minion and Cat Fun.
It gives me a sample of what my stuff is going to sound, and then I'll click Generate AI Voice, and then it puts that little sound clip right there under the slide. So I'm going to go to the next slide, click on my text, copy it, and then paste it, generate my voice. See it's in there. Okay. Go to my next slide, Let's maybe do this one first. Minion, go down. Generate my voice. And there I go. I see that I put it in there. That's probably going to be competing audio a little bit with those sound effects that we put in, but we'll see how it goes. And now I'm going to take the second part of my text. Cat go down, or sorry, cat jump. Generate. And there it goes. It popped it there. So I don't want them to say both of these things at the same time. So I can see they're kind of right on top of each other. So I'm just going to slide that over. And it will actually help it kind of pop right into place there, as I just clicked on that audio and from the AI voice and dragged it over. Okay, next one. Put it in there. Generate. There we go. Take this guy. That text there. And take this one. Last page of my story. Generate the voice. Perfect. Now let's go play back our whole thing. I'm excited.
Minion and cat fun.
Okay, page 1. I'm going to click on my right arrow on my keyboard to go to the next slide.
Minion and cat swim.
Okay.
Minion go down. Cat jump. They swim. Cat go down.
Right.
Cat
Next
go up and
page.
down.
Oh, I forgot on this one. The YouTube video, you do have to put stop started. We know what's going to happen. So this is very bad. Okay.